Hey, I'm Miss Brazil and I'm class of 2014. My favorite thing about today is our amazing school social workers putting the time and effort to educate our seniors on healthy relationships and consent. And then, most importantly, all of the San Fernando Valley organizations and agencies that came out to support our students today.
So my name's Andrea Ventura and I graduated the class of 2014.
My name's Eileen and I graduated 2016. So St. Difference Co. is a nonprofit based out of the San Fernando Valley. We focus on drug harm reduction for the youth, just being able to start that conversation and bringing resources that the youth doesn't necessarily have. I mean, Narcan is $40 in store when we can just provide it here for free and educate them, giving the youth a chance.
Graduating from Granada and then kind of coming back here, we're all about the youth these days, especially just within our nonprofit. So it just feels really good to give back to the youth and to teach them about what's affecting them and just to kind of spread awareness.